Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share you a subtotal function. Thank you for watching the absolute beginner guide for Microsoft Excel. So subtotal function is a common function used for a multiple arithmetic operations on a given range. Can be used differentiate based on the parameter. For example, if I want to get the average, if I want to count the rows, I use the number 2. If I want to get the max for out of the rows or columns, so I will use 4. And if I want to get the minimum value from the rows or columns, so I use the 5. And if I want to a sum, then I'm going to use a 9. So let's try this function. So first of all, I'm going to calculate the average. So this is my sample data, where I have horizontally 21, 22, 23 and 24, and from below I have a 12 months. So I have some frictional data for sale of my items in this months. So if I go for rows wise, what is average between these 4 years, then I will calculate with the help of subtotal. Equal subtotal bracket, then I put 1, then comma, then I go to select the first cell, then at the end of bracket, and when I press enter, it give me the average. Now I want to apply these same formula for rest of the rows. So one way is I select this corner and then drag from a mouse. Well, the formula will be copied to rest of the rows. If you can see the same formula, I'm going to use going back until where is my last cell where I want to apply, and then control D. So you can see the same formula is applied. Now I'm going for use for a sum for the same subtotal tab. Then I want to use a sum. If I see 9 is used for a sum, I put a 9. Then I am going to give a range manually. So range is E8. It goes to a right cell. So I'm going to use subtotal, and for sum, if you see 9 number is used, I put a 9, then colon, comma, then E8. You can see the cell it pointing to a right cell. Then I put colon, and then I put H8, and I put close bracket. I put end, it give me the sum of the rows, some of the columns, some of the range cells. If I select one all these columns, you can see the 85 is sum of selected cells, so it means the formula is applied. So I am dragging this to rest of my columns, and it give me the sum for formula for all those rows. So sum of this is equal to same. So sum of these is equal to same 144. Similarly, for count will be 4 rows because so 4 columns. So it will be, but we can use the formula equal to subtotal and tab. Then I put for count is equal to 2, comma, then H8, E8, colon, H8, bracket band, bracket closed, put enter. And if I drag the formula below and control D, for main is equal to subtotal bracket, then I have for main I have 5, function number 5, comma, then again E 8 semicolon 8 and bracket close, enter. It's equal to 11. Same formula can be applied with the rest of the rows. Select and control D. It copied to the rest of the cells. Equal to sub total tab and max is equal to 4 comma E8 colon H8 bracket close, enter. 44, and now I am dragging this value to end of my selection, and formula is copied to the rest of the rows. So my friends, there is a subtotal formula that can be used for multiple arithmetic. A single formula based on the parameter, we give the formula number, and the common we have a 4 or 5 arithmetic like average, count, max, min, max, and sum. So these will be used to calculate, to apply the arithmetic function for based on the this formula. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.